La Vista. We want to do the concrete blocks, first of all, around the sides. We'll start it from that corner, coming to this line, and then following the line, going through all around, step back, and then coming there and close it here. It's about 40 linear meter retaining wall, 4 courses. What we should do, line up the concrete footing, dig it down, and install the concrete footing by the mixing concrete bastion, 20 bags, always using that, mix it and put it to the footing, and then we install the blocks on top of the footing. It's hard because we had the rain, and this is the clay. It's now sticky and it's hard to move the material to the back, but let's see how it goes. We're working hard here. It looks like a hard job and a big job. So we clean the footing line. As you can see, there is a big rock under. Look, this is a big rock under the footing. You can't go more deep. And look, this is a big rock. It's a rocky area. Also here as well, if you can see, this is a rock. We dig and clean it up to the rock surface, to the hard surface, and then we're laying concrete. The wide is 450 for this one. This rock is continuing up to the end, up to here actually. You can see we're killing up. It's a rock all through. It's good for the footing, will be more stronger and not moving the wall. So we mix the concrete and we're laying. We need to fix the line as a level we want to finish the footing. I will check that by the laser level and continuing to laying this line for today. So guys, the footing done. We're continuing to install the blocks, and I first installed the corner blocks in that line because I need to exactly the line of the concrete, and then back continuing set the line and install the blocks on top of the concrete mix because it's about 35 millimeter. I need the concrete. Mortar is a bit softer and going down. This is a heavy block. If using mortar or sand and cement, it's going sitting down when you tapping or leaving that. Now install it in through the line. Check the level for that direction, and for this one continuing and set by the line. Continuing. It's take time to install the first course. If you install the first course correct, it's going faster to install the other courses on top of that. It's easy and faster. but take time and make sure every following the levels and the lines. The first course should be the good one, and then the next course it's easier. Okay, good luck to me. This is a big job, heavy blocks, 17 kilo each blocks, and it's hard to move it from the front yard to the backyard. Thanks for my laborers, help me to do it. Now I am installed and continuing to finish this last wheelbarrow, and then going home, continuing tomorrow. So guys, this is the tile installation, and this we have this gap between the tiles and the blocks. Then we can fill it up by the the metal pebbles. I think the luxury one should be good. So guys, good morning. We're back to the job with Ibrahim. And today we working on the laying blocks. I want to show you how it's easy to install the other courses on top of the others. And on we hold the blocks. It's easy from the top going to the side. This is a face, a split face, and this is the back. It's a smooth face, and we fill up this part by the blue metal and aggregate. Okay, now I'm going there, following and sitting down. then we can show you. There is a lock on there as well. It's going to the middle hole, and this will lock from the bottom, and the side it's locked from these parts. Like this. And we're continuing. Later we'll check the line of the blocks. Thank you. So good morning guys, this is 6 days. We're coming back to the job, connect the agri pipe to the stormwater, going all through, and we cover it by the aggregate 20 mil, and also the blocks will fill up by the blue metal 10 mils. It's easy to going through, and then we clean it. We check the line for the second course, and then we're laying the next course and fill it up when it finish the fill up the drainage. That's our job, to going to course 4 and finish the blocks. The cabs will do later. As you can see, this is the second course, is not in the line. We have to check it and line it, put it back to the line and fix it, then going for the next level. It needs to be checked course by course. As you can see, the wall completed in 2 courses, 3 courses and 4 courses all around the garden. We line each courses and also just leave the top one open for the capping later. Let's go through, and behind fill up by the aggregate, and any leftover blue metal, it's going to the back of the wall as a drainage. In the corners, some cut going through and turning that way. That's a 4-course wall. This is the drain come up. So guys, we're back to the job, and we need to install the cabs and fill up the back garden by organic garden mixed soil. The fence done and slippers under. We clean the garden, and now we're installing the caps. We put the dot glue, it's a liquid nail, and installing the caps, continuing and following the line all the way. Before that, we need to cut the dent on top course, because the cap need to be sit on the main block, and we're cutting. So guys, job completed. We're adding the soil. Also, I leave the egg pipe open here. If it's blocked, you can wash it by the hose and the tap. We install the garden mix soil behind it. This is a corner, a step up, two step in that side, and we're going to the angle, moving all around the garden.